Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Mazda cruise control on a Mazda 3 2015. It's the same for all Mazda 3 3rd gens using 4Scan. Now my Mazda is a 2015 Mazda 3, the base model, as you can see. I asked the dealership to enable it for me and they quoted me close to 200, plus I had to get the steering wheel myself. Now I like the cruise control feature, but there's no way it's worth that much. So I searched online and found a few guides, but the easiest one that I found was using 4Scan and an OBD adapter that I'm going to show you now, how you can enable it at home. It cost me a total of $100, OBD scanner plus the steering wheel. I bought the steering wheel for 65 bucks Canadian from eBay, and then the OBD adapter from Amazon. So here's how you can enable it. So once you have your steering wheel swapped, then we're going to get your computer ready to do the changes on your car. So in order to do that, we're going to go download 4Scan. Just want to go to 4scan.org, go to products, and then download this version for Windows. They also have one for iOS, but since I'm using Windows, I'm going to download this. Once downloaded and installed, you'll come to this page. So licenses to be able to make changes to your car. In order to do that, you want to go here. You want to copy this clipboard ID, the hardware ID. You just want to go to copy to clipboard, then go back to 4Scan. You want to click on forum and log in. You could, if you don't have an account, you obviously have to register. It's free. Log in. I already have one. Log in. Then you want to go to this first link here, and then go to the second one here. I didn't want to bother translating. I already know where to go, so I'm going to scroll down, and then there's a link here, this one here. So click on that. It'll take you to this page here. So just as first name, anything, contact number, whatever, and then here's where you need your hardware ID. Just paste, and then generate. Once you generate, it will generate a key. So it says already exists because I already generated one. So you can just download. Once generated, you can click on download, and then go back to 4Scan, and you go load license key. Now you want to go to your downloads folder. So users, downloads, and then here's the license key. Click on OK. Yes, and then it will open up, and now you have the trial version. So for OBD scanner, I used this one here. I bought it from Amazon for 30 bucks. Worked pretty well. Obviously you need the USB one. I did have a cheap Bluetooth one, but the Bluetooth one didn't work. It worked the first time, and then once I tried to do it again, it didn't work. So for whatever reason, Bluetooth doesn't work. However, if you get one of these, it works. And make sure it says in its description that it works with 4Scan, because some of them don't. So now that you have your application ready and your steering wheel swapped, what you want to do is go to 4Scan, wait for it to open, then click on OK. Then you want to set up the type of connection. I'm going to go to connection, and I already set it to COM. I already connected my OBD adapter through USB. So now let's just go to the connect, and then I'm going to turn on the ignition. You don't want to turn on the engine, just press the power on button twice, and then we'll go and connect to the vehicle. So it says yes, we want to connect to the Mazda. So I was checking everything, and now you want to go to here, and then you want to go to the central configuration. Once you do that, then click on this, and yes, okay, so it says turn the ignition off. So just press the power button once, click on OK, and then you want to scroll down, and here it is, cruise control. I've set it to standard. When you first do it, it says then either not configured or no cruise control. I just set it to standard because I don't have the radar on my car, so just the standard cruise control. You want to click on OK, and then click on Write. Since we've made no changes, it's not going to show up. So let me actually show you how that it's enabled. So you see when I press the on button, you'll see the cruise control icon show up. So I'm going to turn it off. Now I'm going to go and set it to not configured, and then Write, and then OK. Please turn the ignition on. It's already on, so just click on OK. So now it's done. It says please cycle the engine off and then back on. So what you want to do is turn it off, press it twice, and then look now. If I want to press on, nothing happens. So again, I'm going to go back and enable it. So central configuration, OK, and then I'm going to go to cruise control, double click on it, standard, then Write. Okay, so again, turn it off, press twice, and now on. Yeah, cruise control is on. So this is how you set it up on your Mazda 3 3rd Gen.